Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate clips in Premiere Pro. First, open your project and locate the clip you want to copy in your timeline. Simply click on it to select it. Now, hold down the Alt key if you're on Windows or the Option key if you're using a Mac. While holding that key, click and drag the selected clip to a new spot on your timeline. Release your mouse button, and you'll instantly have an exact duplicate of your original clip, ready for further editing. Another straightforward way to duplicate clips is using the classic copy and paste method. Begin by selecting the clip you want to duplicate in your timeline. Once selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to copy it. Next, move your playhead to the exact spot where you want the duplicate clip to appear. Finally, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste the copied clip. This is perfect for precise placement. For a more independent duplicate, especially if you plan extensive changes, use the Project panel. Find your original clip in the Project panel, then right-click on it. From the context menu, choose Duplicate. A new, identical clip will appear in your Project panel, named with Copy appended. You can then drag this new clip from the Project panel directly into your timeline. This method ensures that any changes you make to the duplicate won't affect the original source clip. So, when should you use each method? The Alt or Option drag is incredibly fast for making quick copies directly on your timeline, ideal for repeating short segments. Copy and paste gives you precise control over where the duplicate lands, perfect for inserting clips into specific gaps. Duplicating from the Project panel is best when you need an entirely separate version of the clip, allowing you to modify it without altering the original source media. Choose the method that best fits your current editing task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.